statistics by China Railway showed by the end of 2021, footing full of trains had run 1.358 billion kilometers, facilitating 1.37 billion journeys. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, over 15,000 China-Europe freight trains were dispatched in 2021, increasing 22% year-on-year. Around 1.46 million 20-foot equivalent units of goods were sent, up 29% compared with a year earlier. Looking ahead, China Railway expects to facilitate 3.038 billion travels this year, up 20% year-on-year. About 3.804 billion tons of goods are estimated to be delivered in 2022, growing 2.1% compared with the previous year. The news came after China's high-speed rail network hit a new milestone on Thursday, as it has reached the length of the equator at around 40,000 kilometers. The achievement further highlighted China's advantages in not just high-speed rail technology and construction, but also its overall economic strength, which will help boost domestic as well as regional transport networks, experts noted. At the end of 2021, the China-Laos Railway was put into operation, facilitating both countries to boost trade and logistics for China and ASEAN nations.